Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. If you guys are not in the free Discord, go join it. It is the first link down below. This video is going to be a pretty short video. There's not really much to go over. I'm just going to be going over the weekly profiles that I watch for, right? So there are three types of weekly profiles. Yeah, there are more weekly profiles, but pretty much I only keep my eyes on two, but I will remember the third one. All right, so right here in front of us, we got the three weekly profiles that I use. I'm pretty sure there's five, maybe. I don't remember. But these are the three that I keep my eye on. Right, so Monday is going to be your high or low of the week with a classic expansion the entire rest of the week with a Friday closure within the range, right? So if Monday has created low of week and Tuesday expands and we are creating bullish PD arrays, you want to watch throughout the week. Are we respecting these bullish PD arrays to expand higher? If yes, we are most likely going to expand the entirety of the week, right? Tuesday, high or low of the week, right? Thursday and Tuesday are the best days to identify the high of the low or high or the low of the week, right? So Tuesday, if we have created a low or high of the day, so we take out Monday's high or low, that can be the low or high of the week, right? You want to see strong displacement in the opposing direction. So if we take Monday's high, you want to see displacement or an order block created to the bearish side, right? Then we have a midweek reversal which will occur on Wednesday or Thursday. Now there are two things you want to watch for this, right? If we create high or low of the week or we create a reversal pattern on Wednesday, Thursday will usually be a continuation. Now, if we create it on Thursday, Friday does not always continue, right? Friday usually has a smaller range, so we might not get a huge expansion in a continuation of Thursday's price action, right? So why do weekly profiles matter, right? There's 5 days in a week, right? 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Markets are closed on Saturday and Sunday, right? So we want to be let's just look at this daily chart. We want to be anticipating which way are these daily candles going to be expanding. Are they going to be expanding higher? Are they in a consolidation profile? Or are they going to be going lower, right? So that's literally all you want to be looking for, are identifying the daily candles to create the one weekly candle, right? So if we just want to, here, we can pull this down here and go over, let's look for a Monday high or low of the week, right? We actually had one last week, right? So right here's Monday, okay? Now, the other thing you want to look for these weekly profiles are, has it hit a higher time frame key level, right? So right here, we form an SMT with previous week low with the ES, right? So we form this SMT with Thursday's low on the ES. And actually, we can go over this weekly profile next because I just saw it, right? So what's our higher time frame level? Well, this SMT right here, right? So what happens on Monday? Creates low of week. Tuesday, expansion higher. So if we go down to this hourly chart, right here would be your SMT with Thursday's low, right? Here's Tuesday, right? 9 a.m. opens up, expansion higher. 10 a.m. closes down, creates a bullish fair value gap, right? This is whenever you think to yourself, are we creating bullish PD arrays to continue higher, right? Tap into it, continue. Right here at 9 p.m., expansion, fair value gap, continuation, right? So if we take a look here, we can see higher time frame key level, this SMT, expansion on Tuesday with higher time frame key levels being formed, bullish PD arrays being formed. Wednesday continuation, Thursday continuation. And just like I said, Friday usually will close back inside the range, right? Which would be right here at Thursday's high. So we close back inside of Thursday's high. Right, now another thing you can do with a classic Monday high or low of the week is use TGIF, right? So TGIF is going to be 0.2 or 0.3% retracement of the entire range, right? So if we put that on Thursday's high and Monday's low. Right here would have been TGIF, right? But obviously Friday didn't come down there. We were at all-time highs, so it is what it is. You wouldn't expect us, right? This is whenever you say to yourself, okay, well, the weekly profile has expanded heavily, right? What happens after an expansion, right? This is a 6% expansion. Consolidation, right? So we can expect what's happening here, right? We can expect that. Okay, so right there was Monday low of the week profile, right? So the next one I want to go over is this one right here, right? Wednesday high of the week, right? Midweek reversal, which would be what? Wednesday, right? Or Thursday, right? It can be Wednesday or Thursday. So have we hit a higher time frame key level? Well, yeah, we took out this buy side, right? This was actually here. We can use this. We took out previous week high, so we took out buy side. Do we have an SMT? Yeah, we do actually. Right, so we have an SMT with all these highs with the ES. So we take out previous week high, we form this SMT. We actually have kind of like a 3 drives pattern, right? 1, 2, 3. But anyways, take out previous week high, SMT, Wednesday high of the week. Then we go down to what? Our hourly chart, right? Is Wednesday creating bearish PD arrays for an expansion lower, right? Well, we take out that high at 9 p.m. Fair value gap, right? Comes into it, expansion lower, 9 a.m. Expansion lower, we create a fair value gap, right? Taps into it, continues. Now, that's Wednesday's price action. What would we be expecting for Thursday? A continuation of Wednesday's PA, right? Buy side taken, previous week high, SMT, classic expansion lower, right here, right? This is most likely a 4-hour fair value gap, right here. It is a small 4-hour fair value gap, right there, right? So Thursday taps into a key level, expansion lower, right? Classic what? Midweek reversal, right? Taps into that, continuation. Now if we go down to go up to the daily, what's Friday do? Closes back inside the range, right? Fridays will usually be a closure inside the range, right? So let us look for right here. What do we see? This is Thursday. What do we see here? PD array, right? This is Tuesday, right? Tuesday, higher low of the week. But what's happening here, right? Sell side of the curve, right? Sell side of the curve. So we're looking for sells, right? So what happens on Thursday? We take Wednesday's high inside of a daily fair value gap, right? What do we expect on Friday? A continuation of Thursday, right? So midweek reversals, you don't always expect Friday to continue Wednesday and Thursday, but occasionally Friday will continue if there is more to go, right? We have more to go, right? We have this low. If Thursday has created high of week, right? So right here, Thursday takes out the high, order block, continuation, right? 10 a.m., right? So 9 a.m. trades up into this order block, expansion lower. Friday opens up here. It's actually quite choppy. We create equal highs, but you can see that maybe there would have been an entry on the lower time frame, right? Right there. Thursday high of the week profile, right? So the last one is Tuesday higher low of the week. Actually, right here's another good example of Thursday, right? So what are we at? All-time highs, right? Expansion, right? We need to either reverse or consolidate. So right here, Thursday takes out Wednesday's high, expansion lower. Friday closes back inside the range, right? So we don't really have anywhere else to go, right? We tapped into this fair value gap, and there's not really anywhere else to go, right? We just had an expansion all week. Thursday comes down, taps into here. Friday doesn't need to expand anywhere, right? So right there, Thursday, high of the week, but Friday doesn't continue, right? Now, this is really like, we've been getting choppy price action, so let me see if I can find a Tuesday. Right there, Wednesday low of the week, Thursday expansion, Friday close inside the range, right? So let's see if I can find a Tuesday high or low of the week, right? Right there. Right here. Right? This is pretty far back, but I'm just hovering over these to look. Right? So, what do we see here? Right? Daily fair value gap. Obviously, we're selling off. So, bearish PD arrays should get respected. Fair value gap here on the daily. Monday high and low. Right? Monday's high, Monday's low. We take out the high on Tuesday. Can I go down to the hourly? Take out the high on Tuesday. Boom. Takes it out. Wednesday in the morning starts an expansion lower. At 11 a.m. we tap into the fair value gap, continuation, right? What do we expect for Thursday? A continuation, right? So Thursday opens up at 9 a.m., taps into this new day opening gap, continuation lower. Now if we go up to the daily, what do we see on Friday? Closure back inside of the range, right? So Tuesday reversal, Wednesday and Thursday continuation, Friday closure back inside of the range, right? Just like I said, right? So let's take a look here, right? This Friday we expanded. We actually took out both high and low of the week on this day, right? Friday closure back inside the range, Friday closure back inside the range. And what I mean by back inside the range is just Thursday's daily candle, right? That's what I mean when I say that, right? Even right here, closure back inside of this Thursday's candle, right? So most of the time on Fridays, we will usually get a closure back inside the range, right? It is what it is, right? So you guys have saw, do I still have that pulled up? Yeah, you guys have saw Monday high or low of the week, right? And if I didn't show you guys the opposing example, just reverse it, right? Monday high, low of the week, Tuesday high or low of the week, and midweek reversal, right? These are the only 3 weekly profiles I use, right? I don't use any other ones. There's more, but these are the ones that I've liked, and sometimes I don't even use them. But I will take into account what we are doing on the daily chart and what weekly profile we could be having, right? Obviously, these don't always happen, but that's just like everything in trading, right? So these are the 3 that I've memorized and I use. And if you guys want to go study more weekly profiles, feel free. Other than that, I'm going to get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm out. Peace.